Hello Willy, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2014 Suzuki GSX-R750. Kilometers 7,599 kilometers, and the price is $99.99 plus HST and license. This motorcycle is a fully safe and certified. Comes with front and rear new tires. Pass all the certification at this time. Everything works. Super clean, very low kilometers. Bike is stock. The only modification that they have on this motorcycle is the kit eliminator and the internal turn signal that comes on the tail. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, it's available at this time. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to secure this unit. Thank you.